Now the third class. Third class is Basidiomycetes. In Basidiomycetes, the well-known fungus are mushroom, which is edible fungus, some bracket fungi and puffballs. Habitat. If we talk about Basidiomycetes habitat, ये रहते कहाँ हैं? तो in the soil, moist soil of course, and the logs, wood logs, pieces of woods, and in the tree. And it is also found as parasites in some kind of plants. Rust and smut wheat, you might have heard. So this is a parasite which causes disease in the plants and lives as a parasite in some plants. Now mycelium, if we talk about the fungal body of Basidiomycetes class, then this is branched and septate. That means branches are found in the Basidiomycetes as well as the fungal hyphae is divided by some kind of wall, separated by some walls. Now asexual spores are not found. There is not any asexual mode of reproduction in this, but rather than asexual reproduction, there is vegetative reproduction is found, that is by the process of fragmentation. That means the fungal body divides into fragments and each fragments grows into the new fungal mycelium, new fungal body. Now next, sex organs are also not found, but a kind of sexual reproduction is found. How it is? By the process of plasmogamy. Plasmogamy is what? Fusion of gametes, but here is not the sexual gametes but two vegetative or somatic cells. The fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells fusion takes place, and those vegetative and somatic cells are found in the different genotype, in the different strains, and that fuses here. And the result after this fusion is the dikaryotic, that is the nucleus dinucleate, two nucleus is found which is not fused. मतलब दो न्यूक्लियस होंगे जो नया फॉर्मेशन होगा आफ्टर फ्यूजन ऑफ गैमेट्स, नई बॉडी का फॉर्मेशन, एंड dikaryotic stage which rather later on develops into the Basidiomycetes and diploid, that is. Okay, now karyogamy, in which there is fusion of the nucleus. Karyo means nucleus, so fusion of the two different nucleus takes place, and the resultant structure further divides by meiosis and produces 4 basidiospores. Okay, this karyogamy and meiosis in Basidium takes place, and after the meiosis 4 basidiospores are produced, and this is produced in the Basidium itself, and that Basidium is produced in the fruiting body called basidiocarp. So in the Basidiomycetes, the fruiting body is basidiocarp, in which the Basidium is there, and in the Basidium after meiosis 4 basidiospores are produced. Okay. Now example of Basidiomycetes are very common: agaricus, mushroom, the edible fungus, and ustilago, that is the smut, and Puccinia, that is rust. Now next is Deuteromycetes. The class 4 is Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes. Fourth class is Deuteromycetes. This is called imperfect fungi because there is not any perfect stage found in this fungi. There is no sexual mode of reproduction found in this fungi. Only asexual or vegetative phase is found. If the sexual form is seen, observed, then that particular fungi will no more be part of the Deuteromycetes, but इसे Ascomycetes या Basidiomycetes में डाल देते हैं. ठीक है, अगर परफेक्ट स्टेज नहीं है, दैट मीन्स Deuteromycetes. अगर किसी रीजन से परफेक्ट स्टेज ऑब्जर्व हो गया, दैट इज प्लेस्ड इन द Asco और Basidiomycetes. Then asexual spores are conidia basically, and form in the conidiophores. Okay, and now the fungal body mycelium is septate and branched, मतलब कि wall है hyphae के बीच में, and these might be saprophytes, parasites or decomposers, and the very well known examples are alternaria, calectotrichum and trichoderma. So the kingdom fungi is covered here. Now we will discuss about kingdom plant.